Hey you guys and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to make these beautiful planters. We'll do two versions. We'll do the birdhouse first, which is the easy one, and then we'll do the houses, which takes a bit more time with all the details. And I do have some measurements for you below, but is for this version, as these two are the prototype. I would love to know where my viewers are from, so please leave a comment below with where you're watching from. Anyway, let's get to it. We'll start off with the base. I've cut all the pieces for the bottom part. I've got the sides, I've got the bottom, and I've got the ends. I'm gonna nail it all together with my nail gun. And some glue, of course. On second thought, the bottom part I think I'll put together with a few pocket hole screws. Alright, let's get to it. I love these projects where you can use a nail gun and get it done within no time. Bottom is done. Now I'll do the ends with the nail gun and some glue. Cool, done. And no nails sticking out. Hey, great. I've got some random pieces here for the back, and we'll do a 45-degree cut on all of them to make them look like buildings. For the birdhouses, we'll do a 32mm hole at the top and a smaller hole to fit these dowels underneath. The big one will go all the way through. Next step here is just to nail these on with a bit of glue and we're done. But I do want to put a roof on these buildings, so I found these in my failed project pile and I will glue these on. I think they'll look a lot better with these. Let's move on to the buildings. The roof part I'm going to do a bit more chunky than the birdhouses. Something like this. I'm still going to have a bit of an overlap on the smaller buildings. Let me show you how to do that. Yep, I think that's good enough. Looks pretty cool. Now I just need to do the rest. I will put a bit more decorations on so they will look like small buildings. I've got some doors. This one I think it might be too big. Made some small cuts for some windows in the top, and some chimneys. And I'll put some chimneys onto the top, but I'll wait until I've got these secured on the planter box. Time to mount these on, and I'll do that with the nail gun and some glue. Last thing is to put on the chimneys, and I'll do that with CA glue and standard glue. I'm really happy with the result, and luckily so is my wife. Please do hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.